how to reset all settings for iPhone 13 Pro or the Pro Max in 2025. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, locate the settings icon, then go into settings. Next, in settings, we then scroll down and tap on general. After that, we scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. And at the top here, tap on reset all settings. Next, enter your passcode. And then tap on reset all settings to proceed. Now so that this will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted. It will only just delete the settings. After you reset the settings, the phone screen may appear to restart itself. Just wait for it to finish, and that's it. After the reset, you may need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password. You may need to set up your Bluetooth settings and so on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.